Tired of that annoying Activate Windows watermark on your screen? Want to unlock all Windows Pro features without spending a dime? Stay tuned, because in this video, I will show you a 100% working method to activate Windows 11 Pro for free without a product key. Let's dive in. Step 1. Check activation status. Before you activate Windows, let's check your activation status. Click on Start menu, to Settings, navigate to System, then Activation. If you see Windows is not activated, don't worry, we will fix it right now. Step 2. Using command prompt. Now, let's use a simple command to activate Windows. Open search bar on Windows and search Windows PowerShell and hit on PowerShell. Finally, activate Windows with this command. Paste this command. You will find this command on comment box or video description. And now hit enter. After that, you will come on this page. To make changes, click 1 to activate Windows. It will take a few seconds to activate. Now you have successfully activated your Windows. Let's go back by pressing cross. To make all the changes, please restart your PC.